It is, I think, like 2:30, and I am heading to New York City today. I have a 6 a.m. flight, and it is going to be crazy. It's 48 intense hours, you guys. It's back-to-back meetings, cramming it all in, seeing as many people as possible. And the actual reason I'm going is I'm doing a panel for Estee Lauder companies, like at a larger level, which is really dope because they want me to talk about inclusion and like diversifying in the beauty industry, which obviously is all I care about. So I decided I'm going to vlog this trip. I kind of think it's important to show everything we're doing and building behind the scenes because so many of you guys are like, what is Tinted? What does it even mean? It's an Instagram page. It is so much bigger than an Instagram page, and I am on a mission to prove it to the world. I have been on the hunt for a full-time assistant, and I had Juhi, who was my intern, but Juhi now is the full-time community manager for Tinted. And now I hired a full-time assistant who, by the way, I haven't actually met her. Her name is Simran, and she is moving to LA from San Francisco. We're meeting for the first time, and her first kind of work assignment with me is coming to New York with me for this trip. I get worried that people on YouTube are like, oh, like who does she think she is with like an assistant? The reality freaking is that I'm going a little crazy. You see these bags? They ain't going nowhere if I keep trying to do everything I'm doing without help. And I feel fueled up. I know it's like 3 a.m, but I'm excited. And I am going to take you guys along this entire New York trip, show you all the madness. Please pray for me that Simran works out. I'm banking on this. She's literally about to see what the life of working for me is like. It's gonna be interesting. Back to backing. See ya in New York. We just got rerouted to Pittsburgh because of weather reasons. Someone get me to New York, please. 10 hours later, I made it to New York. It's gonna be a crazy few days, and poor Simran, she got here 30 minutes ago. She's probably like, what did I just get my job into? Like, poor thing. Let's go find her. Hi! I had to document it. It's her day 1, and I show her how professional we dress.
I'm no better.
It was a 15-hour freaking ride. All right, let's do this. Are you ready? It's gonna be a busy 2 days. You're like jumping right in. Please don't quit.
I feel like, if I can do this, then I can do anything.
Yes! Amen! Simran, it's your first time in New York. How do you feel?
Good question. I don't know.
All the emotions right now. We are on our way to go pick up my friend Casey, who you guys know very well. He used to work at Pinterest, was like an amazing person on their sales team for the beauty side of the business, and then just quit to go be a makeup artist because that was his dream. He's super inspirational and just a friend of mine since college. And Casey is staying with me tonight and gonna do my makeup in the morning. I just like to see my friends whenever I get a window to, so he's just gonna stay with me tonight. And literally Simran's learning in real time, so there's that. She's gonna be taking over some of the vlogging, but I'm giving Simran a little baby New York City tour. So this is considered Hell's Kitchen area. I used to, my very first year of living in New York, I was here. And right down there is Times Square.
Oh my gosh.
But you know what's funny is like I see your face and you're like excited about it. Ain't nobody in New York City like Times Square. Am I right or am I right?
Yes, so
exactly.
Right. Ready for a sleepover?
Yes! OMG! The
Hello.
face by Case is in the house.
So Butch in this hat.
We're both.
We're both. Butch.
We're going for that Butch chic look.
Yeah, lazy boys.
I don't miss it, but that's my old hood and my old place before Casey burnt it down.
Burn it down. We have PTSD.
We do have major PTSD. Oh, oh, New York. We're going up on a Tuesday, guys. I had to make the joke. We welcome you to our cruise ship. Welcome. We are officially on a cruise. And a tiny bed.
An all-you-can-eat buffet soon.
All you can eat buffet. All this like thing about New York City hotels pulling off the quaint card. No, quaint I'm not down for. I need space. I'm an LA person now. No, but it is really cute still. We're gonna go downstairs and have a quick dinner and then go to bed because we're getting up at 6 a.m. for Casey to beat this face and we gotta put masks on to get that dewy skin. All right, we are at dinner with Casey and Simran. The reality was it was supposed to be a dinner with like a work meeting thing, but then the flight situation happened. But this is even better because now we're having a welcoming dinner. It's like her christening. Cheers to you. I'm so happy you came into my life and I think it's gonna just get better and better and better and you're killing it. And if I'm psycho, just like know that it gets better. That's my beautiful speech.
Oh, you're so heartwarming.
I know, right?
Cheers.
We're gazing masks ready to go. We're hydrating. Ariana's playing. It's 1 a.m. We're waking up at 5:30, maybe 6. Team no sleep because we're in New York and that's what people do here. That's why I moved. Wakey, wakey, NYC. You so pretty. Welcome to New York. T-Swift playing, and we are getting ready, people. We have an hour. We got this, right, Case?
We got this.
We got this. I feel fired up. I feel that New York energy. Got all the goodies ready to go using that Jikey Aina Too Faced foundation. It's actually my first time using this. And the dose of colors. Yippee. How cute are you with your coffee and your cute little shirt? This is adorable. Okay, ready for the panel. Obviously rocking her shirt. Simran's wearing the new one. We did a switcheroo.
So cute on her.
It says Live Tinted on the side. It's crew neck, and it's now comes all the way to 3XL to make it even more size inclusive. It was actually inspired by my friend Nabila, who's on YouTube, who I feel like is always telling people like you have to be size inclusive. So these shirts totally are, and we're gonna keep going at that. And now it is time to get in this car and go do this panel because I'm late. Shocker. We are on our way to the Estee Lauder Company's panel. It's gonna be good. So apparently like people from all of the different brands are gonna be there, and they want me to like talk about the importance of diversity and inclusion. Basically, I need to just pimp out the tinted name. The end. I smell trash, a little bit of pee. Another morning in Midtown NYC, people. Kinda miss it. I'm Deepica. I'm a beauty influencer. It always feels weird saying that. And the founder of Tinted, which is a beauty community I launched earlier this year, which is all about supporting inclusivity in beauty.
What does authenticity really mean to you?
A lot of brands are getting caught up in the trends out there, and I can tell that they're changing like the DNA of who they are, and I think there's smarter ways to be able to gravitate towards like what trends are happening in a really authentic way instead of just going out there and saying everyone's coming out with 40 shades, so are we.
I was looking at your shirt too, and I love the shirt.
Wait, can we just show us the shirt for a second?
Oh, it says my skin is not a trend.
Please follow Tinted because the content is incredible and it is the right way to tell a story.
I love you. I am running around like crazy. I brought flats, thank God. And now I'm going to go see my friend Nancy from BRIOGIO, who is the founder and CEO. Last time I saw her, they were in a WeWork space, and I'm about to walk into this office. The glow up is real, man. They're killing it, by the way, killing it. This is Nancy.
Hey guys.
I gave a whole spiel before I got here. I was like, I remember when she was in a WeWork, and then now I just walked into a space that's like massive. Okay, you have to give the tour.
This here is our main conference room.
Oh my God, there's multiple conference rooms.
Yeah, we have 2 conference rooms.
Look how beautiful this office is.
Really important to me to have a waiting area that really spoke to the brands.
Love is in the hair. Oh wait, that's so good. Okay, so now I need to see all the like stuff that you're working on, and we're gonna go hang, but this is dope. Everyone needs to go buy BRIOGIO. Okay, bye.
Yay.
Oh my God, I just got back to the room and took like a 4-minute lay down nap. The show changed really quick. I'm going to Bond Street for dinner with my girlfriend Caroline, who works at NARS, and my girlfriend Jenna, who works at Vogue. I love that, like having friends that are in this industry, because it just feels like you get each other, you can talk to each other, and it like makes sense. So Bond Street. What up though? I'm more comfortable. Thank goodness. My favorite Tinty sister is in the house. Caroline, can you tell everyone what ethnicity you are?
I am 50% Pakistani and 50% mixed European race that I don't really know about.
Of course she brought me NARS stuff, but that's not why we're here. She's my friend and she needs to come over and hang out with Papa Pandu. Look who else joined us. So let me tell you where our friendship began. Oh wait, where today? Oh my God, it was the Met Gala pre-party the day before, 2015. And somebody introduced us, and then the rest is history. Cheers. Cheers. Hello, New York City. Ronnie. Yes. Ronnie's an OG friend. She came to the hotel and staying out. We're gonna have a glass of champagne, enjoy each other's company, and then I gotta go home and go do some more work.
And I gotta go home and sleep.
And she's gotta go home and sleep because she's like a plastic surgeon and has plastic surgeon things to do. But you know what? If you're in town and you don't get to see your friends even for this long, it doesn't feel the same. Public hotel, your hotels are okay, but your view on the rooftop is #1 in the city. Last day in NYC, and I am ready to get the F out of here. Simran, are you quitting yet?
No, not even close.
But you got free NARS makeup, so the perks, man. That's what I'm telling all these girls that were applying for this. I'm like, there's cool perks to this job. She said her DMs were lit yesterday because she posted that she was here. That made me happy. I'm going to Soho House and I'm doing back-to-back meetings with Dior, Bobbi Brown, Laura Mercier, and 3 makeup artists that I want to work with us for Tinted. So a lot is happening right now. And then I head to the airport and I'm gonna go to sleep. Yay. Such a pretty day in the neighborhood. things that don't make sense, wearing heels in meatpacking, cobblestone. Just a bad idea. Bad. I literally come to New York and do the same thing I do in LA. I come to catch. And I'm here with the beautiful Ezra. How beautiful is this girl? Literally, Tony, you hyped her up. But she is stunning. And they work at Bobby Brown and I got some goodies. So like today's a good day. So we're on the way to the airport. This trip was awesome. It was so dope to go to Estee Lauder and like talk to them about Tinted and have them recognize the importance of this community and how much it matters. Literally every exec in the room, they are the people that can like go out there and like actually make change happen. So doing that panel was so important to me and it went really well. And now I'm on my way back to LA to do more spreading of the Tinted mission. The hustle is real, y'all. Until next time, 2 weeks from now when I'm back for a conference, peace out.